If you were a chief from the street in the joint, you became a general.
Right.
He vacated all of that. And so the only way to be an elite, you had to be a chief from the streets. And he taught that an elite is a servant to his people.
Wow.
That we must teach these teachers, you know, like part of it, you know, now the cleansing of our minds to stop allowing our physical craving, like our anger, our lust, our greed, to control how we act and how to think as man, to put mind over matter. So he started giving us an African worldview. And that's what those two half moons represent, that we was once one nation in Africa, but we got divided into two. For the one on the left represent our people over in Africa. That's why vice lords represent to the left, giving homage to the ancestors. And the crescent moon on the right represent us over here in the West.
Wow.
How we had our memory erased as to who we are as African. And that's what that darkness around that circle represent, the 400 years that we've been in the dark as to who we are as Africans in America.
Wow.
And that fire around that circle represents the white power structure that has oppressed us for 400 years. So that literature brought us into a new consciousness as to who we are and who we're supposed to be.
Wow.